Looking for better ways to transfer data than IQOO EasyShare? This video shows 6 top alternatives that work across brands with more features and smoother performance. Top 1. Best IQOO EasyShare Alternative Transfer for Mobile. Need a reliable, error-free transfer tool? Try MobiKin Transfer for Mobile. It moves contacts, media, and more between any two devices in one click. Fast, simple, and works across platforms. Step 1. Install the software. Step 2. Make a connection. Utilize 2 USB cables to connect your mobile devices to the computer. Ensure they are properly placed in the designated source and destination fields, following the on-screen instructions for detection. Step 3. Transfer files. Select the files you wish to transfer from the options displayed in the center of the panel, and click Start Copy to initiate the data transfer between the mobile devices. Top 2. SHAREit. SHAREit is a fast, cross-platform file sharing app that works on Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac. It's a great alternative to IQOO EasyShare, offering broader device compatibility, no need for mobile data, and support for transferring photos, videos, apps, and more. Top 3. Share. Being a great SHAREit replacement, Share is a fast, lightweight file transfer app for Android that uses Wi-Fi direct to share photos, videos, apps, and more. No internet needed. As a great alternative to IQOO EasyShare, offers quick, hassle-free phone-to-phone transfers. Top 4. InShare. InShare is a fast and reliable file transfer app that allows users to share photos, videos, apps, music, and more without using mobile data. It supports high-speed transfers via Wi-Fi direct and works smoothly across most Android devices, making it ideal for quick, offline sharing. Top 5. Xender. As a fast, easy-to-use file sharing app, Xender works across Android, iOS, Windows, and Mac without needing mobile data. As a strong IQOO EasyShare alternative, it enables quick, reliable transfers between different brands and devices. Top 6. Send Anywhere. Send Anywhere is a secure, easy-to-use app for sharing files across Android, iOS, Windows, Mac, and web. Using encrypted peer-to-peer transfers, it ensures fast and private sharing.